Welcome back to Backyard Cars. I'm Patrick, of course, and today we got a bunch of stuff for the Camaro. Exhaust, distributor, tune-up, headers. We're almost ready to drive. We even have some fancy wheels and tires. New to us, used to the world. Let me get it moved up into the shade, or the sun sucks, and we'll get on it. So we got the power steering pump out of here. It was just hanging in here, so we took it out and set it in a bucket over there. We're gonna start by pulling the manifolds off and feeding our headers up, and that's where we're gonna start. But I gotta go check and see if I have the pulley puller to pull this off, because our new bracket, well, it's weird. Well, I'm sorry to tell you, but we put the headers in and we didn't record it. Mainly because there was a lot of cuss words said, and none of the footage could really be used. But when they tell you that long tube headers will fit an F-body 80 Camaro, don't listen to them. Just save yourself the hassle and go ahead and do the shorties, unless you're just straight up drag racing, and then beat and cut and make them fit. You know what I'm saying? But if you're just going to be driving the car around town, go with the shorties and save the headache, the cuss words, and the manipulation of your metal body panels and lifting the motor to make them fit and all that stuff. And while we were at it, we installed a brand new XL distributor, because it was about the same price for a brand new one as it would have been to rebuild the old one that was loose and destroyed. So that's where we're at right now, but the headers are on, and we got these, you know, China made Flomasa like we did on the Motley Carlo. So we're about to go get some pipe to, you know, stick in the ins and outs and do the turning thing, and because it's open header right now, it's quite loud. I mean, you want to hear open headers? I can't. I mean, let's get down here. Let's get down here and peep some open headers. I don't know if you can see that, but she's... Woo! Fella, that was loud. All right, my ears now officially hurt, and when it's all said and done, we're gonna roll her out, because we got new wheels for her too. I mean, you can't have an old turd car with old turd wheels. You gotta have good looking wheels on the old turd car. It makes you look and feel better, you know? So let me go get this exhaust stuff. We'll weld that up, and then we'll pull her out, get the wheels and tires, stick them on, and I know that's what you want to see. And here, and maybe we'll drive it down the road and back. So I didn't get the exhaust on, but we did get the wheels and tires on it, and we're going to show you that. I got to get some different flanges, because our flanges aren't the right size. But we're going to open header, run it down the road, and I'm going to show you the wheels and tires that we got for her. Look at them bad boys. Made a whole new car. coming around from what it was, the junky parts car it was, to going down the road now. I really wish that we could have got the exhaust on it today, but the flanges that somebody has bought and returned those headers, so they had damaged flanges. They don't have another set there today, so it is what it is. But big girl's back on the road, and she's looking pretty jazzy. So what do you guys think of the Pro Stars and the BFGs? Got them off the face space. Pretty jazzy, huh? It's coming around, right? I mean, from what it was, I know you guys got to remember what it was, because I'm sure you laughed and said, why would you try to restore that? But we're just trying to put it back on the road, and I think we've done a good job of that so far. So I got to get the rest of the exhaust on it and a couple little doodads, and should be on the freeway. Well, the back roads. Got to get the center caps too. It's like 65 bucks for all four. All right, I think we're gonna call it here. Well, that's gonna do it for this episode. But you know, it's coming along. About to see it on the road now. I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Maybe go down there and like and subscribe, and come see us next time we do something. Appreciate it. See you soon.